So we start off with someone who has shoulder length hair. The stylist confirms how short does she want to go. And she ends up getting a beautiful bob haircut. Very nice side swept bangs with this one. Gorgeous transformation. Hello everyone. Welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. If you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we will be taking a look at a variety of hair transformations. Here we have another one featuring someone that has mid-length or so hair, and she's decided to get a long shoulder-length bob haircut. So then we move on to someone who looks like they have a grown out pixie. And of course she has decided to get a trim. Nice shaven sides, beautifully shaped back. And this does play into that pixie bob haircut trend that we're seeing floating around. Or you could also classify this as a pixie bob variation or longer pixie style. So it looks like we're seeing the mini bob trend for this particular style. This bob ends just around her jawline. Very fresh, short, and chic. So I think I've talked about this before in another video, but we are going super short this season, and there's so many different creative names when it comes to the styling of these particular styles. Here we have a really pretty pixie. Loving the hair color for this one. Here we have a bob with bangs, another very popular style for 2023. She looks amazing. Love how this frames her face. And then we once again see someone with long hair, about mid-back length. Stylist places the hair into a ponytail. And it looks like he's going to be creating another gorgeous bob. Oh, beautiful. Love the angle. So pretty. The color looks amazing too within the cuts. So then we have someone with mid-length hair. So she decided to also go shorter with a longer bob style. Very pretty, and this is definitely a classic effortless look. Wow, so we see someone with very long hair here. She has a really pretty texture. She ended up getting some gorgeous layers. Absolutely stunning. Really added some beautiful shape to her strands. Alright, you guys, I hope that you have enjoyed checking out all the hairstyles featured within today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.